I don't even know what to say. Um, I. Oh, Amber Lily! Amber Lily! Okay, Amber Lily's here now. Looks cool. It reminds me of, Elemental. What? What flowers do you have? Wait. What? Huh? I'm saying nonsense right now. What is it? There's a lavender tea. Polar radar. Oh my god. Peak update. I can't even speak right now, what the heck? I didn't see it. Wait, pollinated. I need another one for myself. Here, find it. Let me see. Oh, not that. Oh my gosh. Blueberry, pollinated. I can't see it. I can't. Sorry. I don't know. Wait, let me gift it to you. Let me gift it. Wait! Stand still. Get out. I got one for myself. Here. Mine is not heavy enough, so I'm gonna find another one. Wait. Yeah, they will wake up though. They'll wake up, check Gold Garden, and then see the update. Oh man, I forgot. There's no stock. Where's my radar thingy? Where's my radar? Poland radar over there. Oh? Wait, I have to use it again. Here? Here. Here. Wait, let me get it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I swear. Oh my god. I need a blueberry, not the... I need a blueberry. Not these. No, I need a blueberry. Blueberry. Gusto ko blueberry. Why am I... Stop. Stop. I don't even see a single blueberry. Is that blueberry? Is that blueberry? No, this is a raspberry. What the heck? I need a blueberry. I don't have a... I really can't. I really can't. Where's my blueberry? Oh my gosh, I don't have any. I don't even have any more. Where are you? Where did you go? Where did you go? Which one is your garden? Oh, that's not you. Oh, that's you. Okay. Nice entrance. Yes. We love a cool entrance. Dude, it's so cool. What the heck? Oh, I'm shivering right now. I need a... Oh no. I don't want to steal. I need a pollinated blueberry that is over like... Where is it? Oh wait, it's you. I thought it was the guy. Sorry. Wait, get out. What? Huh? Huh? Wait. Bro, let me speak. What? There's so much pollinated. What the heck? Is this a glitch? Jumbo, please fix this. I'm scared. Why am I scared? I don't know. Above. Oh. Wait, let me look for my How about my C-pack? Okay, I have 3. 3. Foxglove, okay. Okay. Last. Let's open this one. No, I have bad luck. No, I did not get good luck. Does anyone got pollinated? Just this thing, whatever that thing says. I need to forget it. Yeah, forget it. I need the orange tulip. I need the orange tulip. Honey crafter's crate? What's a honey crafter's crate? Wait, shut up. It's raining right now. Wait. Oh, 66. They look so weird. Why does that one look like a flower? Premium anti egg. Okay. It literally looks like a flower. Yeah, no, I do not have. It actually. Are you kidding me more? stop. Whatever. What? Why are you asking for so much? Are you kidding me? How dare you? Are you just spamming this? For real though, it's always coconut that gets all the mutated. I always see like pollinated coconuts and stuff, bro. Okay, finally. I know why I'm not talking so much in this video, sorry. I'm shy. Yes. Nope, forget it. Shut up. Shut up. That would be so weird though. Let me just stuff my honey into this. They're all below 10 kg. I got a heavenly one. It's a carrot. Why do they have a carrot? No, forget it. Forget all of it. It's all below 10 kg. Yeah, it makes it so harder to forget it. I hate this. Oh my god. Hurry up. Oh my gosh, finally. This is smaller. This is so small. Thunder. Yay. I don't know what to say. So I'm just gonna be quiet and watch me play. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's Phantom Thunder. Yay! Get out of the way! It's so cute, I can't. I tried it. Wait, let me try it. That's done. Sorry, I didn't mean it to shut up. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Yay! Shut up. Oh, I did not know that I have this. Oh, get out of the way, please. Thank you. Oh, where did she go? Oh, okay. I thought she left. Oh my gosh. Here. Why is it taking so long to make it? Oh gosh, finally. The steam flower thing? You mean like, okay. I still have a lot of pollinated stuff. I'm really gonna be rich with honey. But it's gonna take a long time. So. Did you do anything? Hurry up and shut up, please. Oh my gosh, finally. I still have a lot. Wait. At least I'm so rich. Is there a fruit that is pollinated and big? I hate this. Because it literally below 10 kg. for what in the actual. Wait, I need more pollinator. Do we have more where is it? Pollen radar, pollen radar. Let's use my healthy, wealthy pollen radar. Here. Let's go climb up high. Let's go climb up high. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Let's go over here on this coconut, not this other. Okay, that's a lot. Yeah, it collected. Ooh, no, I did not make it. Wait, and then climbing back again. Oh my god. Wait, go. Collect that. Oh man, I don't have it anymore. Wait. No. Lavenders, we love lavenders. Lavender looks pretty cool, honestly. Oh, that stock, I hate this. At least like... I'm not really saying it's a bad stock, it's just not good. Let me check my battery. Okay. Charge it out. Okay, since I got what? Oh, bug egg! Guys, bug egg is here. Oh my gosh. But instantly. What? Shut up, please shut up. No. Get out. Okay. Please look. Not really that good. Ah. Okay, I'm back. Hello. It's taking so long, oh no. I need more, what's it called again? Those pollinate, shut up. Those radar thingies. I'm not telling you to shut up, I'm telling myself to shut up. This, I need more of this, it's so useful for me. Like, bro, give me that again, please. Give me that. Oh my, oh, what was that? What was that? That scared me. But I think she's AFK. Oh, bye. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, it's lagging. I'm lagging. It's because of the update. But I'm not saying it's bad. It's really good. I love it. But what is the friendship part thing? Oh, wait, I have to go to cosmetics. Okay, then. Wait, I'm gonna go to cosmetics. Wait. They said, cosmetic. I'm confused about the friendship part. Sorry, I forgot what Gandalf said. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hurry up and turn into honey. 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 Oh my god. Basic B has so much favorites. They said did they say in cosmetic or what? Because I did not pay attention. I really did not really pay. What? Oh, it's Golly in advanced. Golly and advanced. But no master. Okay. Okay, cool. Cool. Yes, really cool. Get out of my way, please. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Please get out of my way. I don't want to give you my fruit that I'm trying to make into honey. I'm sorry. This is I'm gonna edit this in garden. I should make girl, boy. What? Never mind. Bro. No, ain't no way. Oh, little girl, why am I saying this? I'm addicted. Get out of my way! Thank you. Sorry for yelling at you. I didn't mean to. Because I do not want to give my plans to you. I'm sorry. You look like a fool to me. Oh, never mind. Sorry. So, stop. better get that now, or never mind. It takes so long. Why am I lagging? Oh, I do not want to tell a story on my video. Sorry. So I'm gonna tell a story about it. Shut up, please shut up. I'm lagging again. Oh my gosh. I am not rich in honey. I thought I would be rich. I am not rich. I am definitely not rich. I'm lagging too. I want to shut up. Super, shut up. Flowers, please. Sunflower. No. Oh my god. I'm gonna plant my lavenders. I am editing this on CapCut because there's a part that I want to do. And I want to make this video. Shut up. Please. Please, shut up. Oh my god. Actually, here. Wait, get out. Here. Get out. What is that? Is that heavenly? What is that? I saw oh man, that was like from the new band or something. Let's go. Okay, do we have like other fans? Yes, I have a lot more. Let's just spam this. It looks so cool, but it's only like 1 use. What is that? Oh, it's gold. Okay. Yes, my flower garden is lovely. Okay, let's hatch this. Please, something good. Ooh, a squirrel. That's cool. Yes, I got a squirrel. Let's check out my other eggs. Almost done. Let's check my other egg. Ow! Okay, this one's almost done too. Just gotta be patient. Oh, almost everyone left. There's the two of us here. Talking with Nico's friend. It's kind of weird because I feel awkward right now. The update is cool, not gonna lie. I like it. It's cute. I love it. Yes. I'm just growing my stuff. Just hoping for Ember Lily. Ember Lily costs more than Beanstalk. Ember Lily costs more than Beanstalk. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to this zesty person. Eh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, bye. Get your beauty sleep. I'm also gonna end this video anyway, haha. So, bye. Why are you not leaving? Okay, they left. Time for me to end this video. Bye-bye. Yes. Bye-bye.